Spacey accuser, family due in court to explain missing cell phone. Nantucket U. The man accusing actor Kevin Spacey of sexual assault, as well as the man's mother, father, and attorney, are due to appear in court Monday to explain how the cell phone the man was using at the time of the alleged assault has disappeared. Spacey faces a felony indecent assault and battery charge stemming from a July 2016 encounter with former WCVB TV News anchor Heather Unruh's son at Nantucket's Club Car Bar. The two-time Oscar winner allegedly bought the then 18-year-old drinks after his shift as a busboy ended at the bar. Spacey has. His lawyers have denied. According to police reports, the accuser used his phone to record footage of the encounter with Spacey via Snapchat. He also, last month, Spacey made it in court, where his lawyers argued they should be allowed to examine the phone. Spacey's lawyers to try to information they was from the device, including text messages they say would help Spacey disprove the allegations against him. Judge Thomas S. Barrett the phone be turned over to Spacey's lawyers. But the accuser's Boston attorney, Mitchell Garabedian, has said the accuser and his family. Garabedian wrote that Unruh gave the phone to police in December 2017, around when the criminal probe began. He said police know the accuser and his family have searched all the places where such a phone may have been stored, Garabedian wrote in filings last month. They have not found the Garabedian said last month the family was in the process of engaging a digital forensic expert to search for likely backups of the phone. Barrett has the accuser, Unruh, and the father to come to court Monday to explain more. Separately, Garabedian, who is well known for representing hundreds of clergy sex abuse victims, a civil lawsuit on behalf of the man against Spacey late last month. But just 1 week, Mark Breakstone, a veteran Boston lawyer whose practice focuses on civil litigation, told the Globe last week the move could indicate Spacey has reached a settlement of some type with the accuser. If there is a settlement, Breakstone said the filing could also indicate the criminal case could be in jeopardy. But a spokeswoman for prosecutors at Cape and Islands District Attorney Michael O'Keefe's office said the criminal case is independent of the civil case and will go forward. The charge Spacey faces carries penalties of up to 5 years in prison or up to 2 years in jail or a house of correction, and a requirement to register as a sex offender. The accusation emerged about a year before the criminal case began. In November 2017, during an Unruh Spacey of sexually assaulting her son. The accuser, who has a different last name than Unruh, is named in legal filings in the criminal and civil cases. The Globe doesn't die. Spacey's film career has imploded since the fall of 2017, after sexual misconduct accusations. On Christmas Eve 2018, shortly after the Globe Online about the opening of the criminal case against Spacey, he surfaced in which he appeared to assume the character head portrayed in the Netflix series House of Cards. Spacey was cut from the show's final season amid the wave of accusations. On Saturday, the entertainment news outlet, that British police detectives travelled to the United States in May to interview Spacey about 6 sexual assault allegations against the actor, who ran London's Old Vic Theatre between 2004 and 2015. Matt Rocheleau can be reached at. Follow him on Twitter.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.